The plane is around the Chongqing airport.
It was a fantastic opportunity to get to see how evolved and how technologically advanced the factory is.
AITO! Cyber!
Right now I'm going to test drive the new AITO.
Perfect for a new driver. I'm not doing anything now.
I just sitting and watching now.
Automatic emergency braking, okay?
Very great.
This car is really amazing.
I would recommend AITO to everyone.
Because when they drive AITO will have high level safety, luxury car.
Please come to the region, UAE needs it.